Hey there, awesome RC fan. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. Welcome to TJsRC. Over the month of December, we had a lot of opportunities to take the trucks out and do some winter trailing. What I didn't show you in those videos was the trouble that we had with the Bronco. Every time that you held the throttle at full throttle for more than a few seconds, the motor would stop turning. Now, the motor's not overheating and the ESC's not overheating, so I'm not sure exactly what's wrong. So we're going to start the new year off by tearing into the Bronco. We're going to take it apart, look at everything on the inside, all the moving parts, so that we can figure out exactly what's going on. First thing we're going to do in this episode is remove all of the electronics and then stop there, and then next week we'll probably tear into the transmission and just make sure everything inside there is working properly as we go through eliminating possibilities that could be causing the trouble that we're having. So stick around as we hit the bench and start tearing into the Bronco. So the first thing we're going to do here is remove the speaker for the sound kit, and then we're going to get into getting the screws that hold the receiver box down. Now the receiver box was a bit of an issue trying to get apart because I used shoe glue to hold the receiver box extension in that I made. There were a lot of wires jammed in here. I had a switch in here to switch between using the transmission or the winch with the third channel, so it took some finagling, but I was able to get all of the wires fished back out of the receiver box. And then I could go back to removing screws. There's 2 screws in the back underneath by the rear tires, 2 screws on top for the battery tray. So and from there we can remove the screws that hold down the motor clamp. After that, remove the double stick tape that holds the ESC down. Then we can set those 2 pieces to the side and finish fishing out the wires that went across the body to the receiver box for the ESC. Now we can set all that aside. Well, we've got everything tore off, but we're going to stop there for today. Next time, though, we're going to go ahead and tear into that transmission since we're this far into the rig already, just to make sure everything's working properly in there and that nothing in there could be causing the problem that we were having out on the trails. Please consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos from the channel. I appreciate you being here. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.